Hey everyone, today we're checking out Primal Queen, a supplement that's been popping up online with bold claims about hormone balance and energy for women. But is it the real deal or just another wellness trend catch grab? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Primal Queen markets itself as a hormone supporting supplement packed with natural ingredients like maca root, ashwagandha, and DIM. The website looks polished and the branding definitely targets women looking for better energy, mood, and hormone balance. Over on Trustpilot, the site has a 2.2-star rating, not horrible, but not great. Some users say the product made a difference in their energy or PMS symptoms, but others mention side effects, no noticeable results, or had issues with delayed shipping and vague customer service replies. One Reddit thread also had people questioning the effectiveness, with some feeling like it was more hype than help. Primal Queen isn't an obvious scam, but it's not a proven miracle either. Results screen to vary, and the so-so reviews suggest it might be hit or miss. If you're thinking of trying it, maybe buy just one bottle to test the waters and definitely talk to your doctor first. If you've used Primal Queen, drop your spirit below, and as always, like and subscribe if you want more no-nonsense product breakdowns.